morning. How are you guys doing? Okay, so you're welcome back to Editorial and Emmy's family. Yeah, okay. You're welcome back to Editorial and Emmy's family, and you're welcome back to today's video. Alright guys, so my sister came to Abuja. My sister Ekemini, okay, Kenzie, okay, Kenzie, she has a YouTube channel. You all know, like you all know that all of my family members, like some of them, not all, some of them has YouTube channel. Okay, it is an hustle. Like for you to have a YouTube channel, you need to be very hardworking. So yeah, you know, my family is actually hardworking. Okay guys, so she came, she vacated from school. Yeah, she vacated from school, and then she actually first of all went to Uyo. From Uyo she came to Abuja, and then my mom sent us something. Oh my goodness, you want to see what that is? You want to see what that is? I'm so excited. I want to see too. Okay, she sent us food stuff and cookware. Like, oh my goodness. Yes, pots. So well, literally, and she also sent
me something.
Yep. So I'm gonna first. Okay, you want to first unbox your own?
Yes.
Oh yeah, unbox your own.
Daddy, yes. I have this golden shoe. Daddy, yes. Is this golden or brown?
Yeah, it's brown, I think so.
This shoe.
Yep. The shoe is actually beautiful.
Thank you. I think when they said that
hold it like this. Okay, Santa, can you say what?
She said I should try to force her leg inside so I should size her so I can carry it.
Boy, inside that.
Yes.
It's so beautiful, man.
They sent me this coat.
What?
Coat. Is it coat?
It's jackets.
Okay, jacket.
So jackets.
Jacket.
And the next one
Sent me 2 trousers.
show them one by one now.
This blue one.
Hey, there will soon be noise now. And the next one,
This black one.
okay, so for me, let me show you some of the stuff that she sends. Like, you know, my mom has a poultry, like a small mini poultry in our house. So she sends us this chicken. She actually, my mom loves chicken a whole lot. For her to send me this chicken, oh my goodness, Mama, thank you very much, because this is a sacrifice. She can send me every other thing because my mom loves chicken like crazy. Yeah, she sent us this chicken, like it's actually like a full chicken. Get this off the table. And then she sent us, wait, let me show them that thing. She sent us this crayfish. And the next thing she sent us is this.
I don't know that is a
She sent us this bundle of afang, which we are actually going to be cooking like today, tomorrow. So today we're gonna wash it. We're going to actually wash it, you know, and then we're going to be preparing it. Yeah. Okay, so the very next thing that my mama sent for us, for me literally, because I'm the wife here. I'm the only wife here for now.
say for now or forever?
No, I mean, you are going to be a wife soon now when you grow up. Abby?
Yes.
Okay, so she sent me this pot, this cookware, and oh my goodness, let's unbox it. Oh, they're trying to on the fan. There'll soon be noise everywhere. Yay! So it's a set of wow, 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 my mama, thank you very much. Oh my goodness. So this is actually the smallest of it all. Yeah, that's the cover. Keep it. And then this is the next one. It's actually a very strong pot. Alright, so the very next one is this. I kind of like the way this pot is, guys. Like, I got some new set of pots. Cover it. And the next one is this. We would have been removing the nylon. Have you? Yes, removing the nylon. Wow.
Sound like
So I'm seeing. Sound like this is the biggest one.
that's the leader.
That's the leader. Yay! It looks beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, guys. So, what? We'll come to that. So yeah, there was one particular food I cooked, you know, with my biggest pot, and the pot was actually maybe black or kind of, I don't know why the person was actually saying, oh, okay, this pot is not the kind of pot you should use and stuff. Yeah, that pot was the pots that we were using when there was no money to buy good pots. And that pot was actually given to me by my mom. Okay, so I'm still gonna be using that pot anytime I want to cook something plenty, something big. Okay, because that's the only pot that can actually, you know, contain that big pot. That big.
That one that you do some pepper and collect it back.
Yes. I haven't given it out and collected it back. So in here, we don't do, at least when you, as you're knowing us, you know us that, yes, we came from somewhere to where we are. So, you know, so you should see us for us and not trying to, we don't do packaging. We don't kill our head because we want to create content. Like, we do our content very, very genuine, very original. You know, we're original people. We are original people, and
Grandma, this pot is so beautiful.
yes, so Grandma, this pot is amazing. What you want to rearrange it? I just a little. So these are the things that Grandma sent for us. These are the things. Okay guys, so now yeah, what we're gonna do
is to use our pot and
yes, is to use our pot and cook, but of course, let's call Grandma right now on the phone and appreciate her. Okay, so you guys can also hear her. Let's call her. Although this is anyway, let's try calling her. Yep.
hello, madam.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, we saw our pot. The pot where you give us. So, hey. You won't bust my brain. My brain no green bust.
I don't blame you. Grandma, they call you every time.
Grandma, thank you very much. Not every time we will talk now, we will quarrel. Calm down. Yo. Not every time we will talk now, we will quarrel. We just call to say thank you very much for the gifts. And okay, you want to say thank you for your own gifts.
Grandma, good morning, ma. Ma.
How are you, my lady? Did you see your shoe? It size you.
Yes, ma. I like it.
You love it. It's not like
Okay,
because
I
it's so
love
beautiful.
it.
Like
I also love that jacket
and the trousers.
and the trousers.
And because I size you.
Yes, ma.
Thank you, my begin. There was no small sizes. So now big for children. No mind them. Any no get anyone inside you.
Hey, yeah.
Any no get anyone inside.
So.
I give to the UK. I give to the UK for the children.
Oh. And secondly, say I should try to carry my shoe away from me.
What's your here? What's in the week?
And secondly, say I should try to wear it, but the thing is not size that.
Give me the dress. It's not very size. I think you want that. You want to
Abby, even me, I like the shoe.
no, it's small, my pikin. No, it's small, you know. No, it's not size me. Only one. One way man is true. If I wear them go school and they gather for hand, go out, go back.
Thank you for their family. Why you not send apple for us? We need apple. Hey, if say you send apple, this equation for balance. So
You need to go.
yes.
I will send that for you. That yesterday, you know, say she just come on Saturday. That man they go revise to go that Tuesday. So now
Okay, no wahala.
I will send that to you. Go.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, ma.
The pot is beautiful. I love the pot. And the chicken, I say I do unboxing. In fact, you're on our channel right now as we speak. I do unboxing. I can't tell them say for you to send us chicken, that means it is from the abundance of your heart. Because I know that you love chicken a whole lot. Because you like chicken very much. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah. She's gonna be the one to, grace our kitchen today by cooking.
I just came. I'm supposed to be giving, but you said you want to give me a treat. I thought you wanted to
calm down. The treats.
No, I thought you want to make it. I just came. I don't know. Is that you? Is that you do it in this part of the world? Nobody just came. Is that I should grace kitchen?
Grace the kitchen. Grace, you love to.
Anyways, it's no longer I made food.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know whether the food goes
sweet.
More than tell that in advance, you get the food those sweet.
No, Allah. Yeah, we do. We're gonna do this. You know I'm going out. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. We say tell grandma thank you for us. We appreciate. You know, we're gonna go, you know, make our afang, and tomorrow we're gonna show you our afang preparation.
Exactly.
Hey!
Make sure you stay tuned.
Stay tuned, baby. Have you subscribed to Kenzie's channel? Please go do
Please go
that.
and subscribe.
The link will be at the comment section.
Exactly.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.